Hi, I'm Dina Forbes, a Customer Success Manager at Cargus. Implementing software like Salesforce is just the beginning for businesses. If you want to do more than just scratch the surface of the world's #1 CRM, then you'll want to invest in Salesforce Managed Services. Stick around to learn what managed services are, what's included, and how much they cost. Salesforce is very customizable, which means you can adapt it as your needs and processes evolve. But how you can accomplish this if you're new to the software or if your team is stretched too thin for development. Managed services include technical and support services that optimize the software you're already using. You tap a reliable software partner to manage Salesforce, and they'll keep the solution running smoothly while maximizing the value of your investment. At Cargus, we break managed services into 6 main categories. Assessments, which include system audits to evaluate how you're using the software. Training for all of your team members, whether they're new to Salesforce or seasoned experts. Reporting and analytics to give you a holistic view of your leads and opportunities. User engagement to encourage adoption and optimal usage for end users. Marketing and automation to alleviate stress for your marketing team and support the missing features, software issues, and more. Cargus offers several ways to purchase these services, so you'll reap the benefits no matter what your needs or budget are. Salesforce Managed Services are a long-term solution to use your software as efficiently and effectively as possible. By investing in managed services, you'll boost your adoption, spend less time on upkeep, and be able to make faster, smarter business decisions. The cost of Salesforce Managed Services varies depending on the breadth and depth of your company's software needs. Managed Services plans start at about $1,300 per month. From there, the Cargus team can customize the plan to fit your budget and needs. Still curious about what Salesforce Managed Services can do for businesses like yours? Check out the resources below and contact Cargus for a free quote. Thanks for watching.